Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your country on Spotify. Now, in order to do this, you need to have the Spotify website opened and not the app. And yeah, from here on out, as you can see, it says profile right here. So just click on that and click on account. And then click on edit profile. And as you can see, my country is right here, but I can't change it. So if you can just change it right here, it's fine. But if you can't, all you need to do is go to account overview, scroll all the way down, and where it says your plan, click on update. You can see that it says the Netherlands right here, and just change this country to whatever you like, and then just save it, and that's basically it. And that's how you change your country on Spotify. So yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and comment if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.